jammed up. Nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Here he is in close, and it's in! He scores! Gets his own rebound and makes it count.
Oh, shooter puts his own rebound away. That's a nice play. But man, the goalie burped this rebound out, made it way too easy for him.
Center's jammed up and the winger grabs the puck. Colorado's got the puck against the boards. Scores!
Oh, it's a nifty move. You get in tight to the goalie. Sometimes you run out of room, but he went to the backhand. Nicely done and beats the goalie.
Sends it over to Ben. Here's a chance out front. He scores! Well, not long after they sat down for the anthem. Back up.
Yeah, that's the whole point of this thing, isn't it? If you're at home, you want it to be a bit of a party. Early on, they've got the game's first goal. That's a quick one-timer right in front of the net. The pass is there. He's got no time to do anything with it, and he beats the goalie. You go up the wall sometimes, the door gets slammed.
Boom against the... He scores! Mark Scheifele delivers!
Man, it looks like a bus depot in front of the net. You know it's a tough one when you can't see the goalie. That means he can't see the puck.
Granlund's got it across the line. The 360 with the puck. Scores! No chance for the puck stopper on that
If you're the goalie here, you just want to move as quick as you can. Maybe it'll hit you, but it's so close to the net that pass is on the tape and off the tape in a hurry.
Scooped up along the wall by DeHaan. Here's a short pass to Stahl. From point blank, scores! Oh, what a one-timer to bury it!
I'm not sure where he's wandering to there. The slot's way over there, pal. Get back to where you belong.
Here's an odd man rush. Sends it across. And he makes the save. Finds some space in the corner. Puck grab bait. The goal scores. The captain comes through.
A quick flick of the wrist and that snapshot beats the goaltender. He's in the low slot. He doesn't have much time to think about it.